my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candace. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm super happy you're here listening in on today's video. So in today's video, we are talking about rejection and how to stop feeling rejected by others. And we're also going to dive in why you may feel rejected in situations or with people, relationships, things like that. So I'm super excited you're here, that we can talk about this because this is a huge subject. But anyways, let's get into this video. So here are some ways we create rejection in our lives. We say things like, no one likes me, everyone responds to me in a negative way, I don't have any friends, no one calls me, no one texts me back. Things like that, or even saying so-and-so doesn't like me and they will never like me. Those are all ways to create rejection in our lives. Have you heard this slogan before? Everyone is you pushed out. This means everything you think and believe about someone or a situation is your reality. If you start thinking that no one likes you, people don't want to be your friend, no one wants to date you, things like that, you start thinking that way and you start believing that for yourself, then you are creating that in your own reality. We have the power to create our reality. When you say anything about yourself and about a situation, you are creating that into your reality. It's kind of mind-boggling when you think about it. Like, what are the things that I say about myself and about situations I'm in? I say either they're good or they're bad, and they become that. They become good or bad. We have the power to create our reality. So throughout that, we know that we are creating our own reality by saying, so-and-so doesn't want to be with me, or so-and-so doesn't like me, or nobody likes me, I don't have any friends. We create that. That energy is received by that person and they automatically respond in the way you perceive them. You have that much power in the whole situation. Whatever you give out, you receive back. Simple as that. In order to stop feeling rejected and stop being rejected, you have to change your story. Change the way you think and believe and your self-talk. So this means saying these things. Everyone likes me. I am accepted by all people. People welcome me into their friend groups all the time. People want to be my friend. People enjoy being around me. People communicate with me all the time. They're always texting me, they're always calling, asking for my advice, asking to hang out, things like that. Change your story. We are powerful creators. I say this to you guys every single time I start a video. I say, hello, my powerful creators, because that's exactly who you are. So when we are powerful creators, we have the ability to create negative and positive situations and people into our lives. So what do you choose to create? I suggest start choosing positive things to say to yourself. The self-talk language is so important. Be positive about how you talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and say, you are a friend to everyone. You are so friendly. People love to talk to you. People love to be around you. Start talking and speaking positive affirmations to yourself and about the situations you're in. Start saying, I have amazing friends. I have amazing relationships in my life. People always want to work with me. People love working with me. I am received well in every situation. Start saying these things. People talk to me. People communicate with me on a regular basis. Just start speaking that over your life and you will start seeing a change. And here's an example of how we create our own reality. Look in the room you're in right now. Find everything that is red. For me, I see my vacuum, I see my flower pot, I see one of my dresses, they're red. That is an example of how we create our own reality. When you say no one likes you, that's all you'll see. It's people who don't like you. When you say no one wants to be my friend, that's all you'll see. It's people who don't want to be your friend. But when you change the self-talk and you change the scenario, you create a new reality, you say these things. Everyone likes me. And then you'll see people who like you. Everyone responds to me in positive ways. You'll start seeing all these amazing people responding to you in positive ways. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed talking to all of you about creating your own reality and getting rid of rejection. I truly hope it worked for you and you see these new ways of living your life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And like this video so I know that you want more videos like this. And share this to someone who truly needs it. If you have a friend who's facing a lot of rejection, just slide them the link. Make their day. I love you all so much. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for daily affirmations. Thank you so much again. I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you.